Hey, if you are wondering how you can clear cache on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, then you have to remember that iOS does not provide a single system-wide clear cache button. So to do this, we got like multiple ways. It actually depends of the thing that you are looking for. So for example, if you want to clear the Safari cache, you will have to just open Settings, go for the apps, now search for Safari. There we go. And now what you have to do is just to completely clear all of those website date and history. Just remove everything. And this is that way. If you want to do this for a specific application, then you have to go for the settings and go for the general. Now we have to go for iPhone storage. And what we have to do right now is just to offload some applications. So in this case, if I want to clear cache for the YouTube, I have to go for this and select offload and then click offload one more time. Now you can also, now we have to just click to reinstall application. And if it is not working for some reason, then you have to delete this application and then go to the App Store and get this one more time. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you find it useful. See you in the next one.